Dear brothers and sisters, when we meet any of us, how do we greet each other? You know it. You say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. What does it mean? And why do we say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh? The meaning is, peace be upon you, and the mercy of Allah and His blessing. That means, when you greet someone, you are offering and extending the peace. You are offering a protection, physical protection, moral protection, every protection that is possible humanly. You are making a commitment. You are making a promise to that person. Come, brother and sister, with me. I will protect you. Not only that, I also pray for you the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well as the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Do you know how many blessings Allah has? Uncountable. So here, when we are greeting other person, we are making a commitment to take care of his wealth, his health, his life. We are giving all form of commitment of protection. In addition, we are making a prayer for him. Who could give the best mercy is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Who can provide the maximum blessing is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is the greeting from one Muslim to the other Muslim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Peace be upon you, mercy of Allah, and the blessing of Allah. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin